I have a stolen cherry frame, stolen thermolite, seat and post combo. Got a stolen class ring sproket, stolen 2.5 team cranks, shadow ravenger pedals. Got a stolen revolver, bottom bracket. And I got Madeira V2 cassette hub, G-Sport Birdcage rim, Fit FAF 2.3 tire, a premium peg. I got this profile hub guard for it. And then I have Odessy and Ross space bars, the Cult dehart grips, animal bar ends, primo anyerlator stem. Got a kink headset. I got primo strand forks. And then I got a primo N4 FL front hub, primo balance rim, a premium 2.25 folding tire. And that's about it. Bike weighs about 21 pounds. And this is what the hub sounds like. And I got the primo pawls and springs for it, made it a lot louder, and it was only $10 on Dan's Comp. Also, I have this free coaster for sale. It's a Alienation V2 left-hand drive, 9-tooth, and it's laced to a primo verse rim. It's got external slack adjustment. And I'll leave where I'm selling it in the description. Alright.